I mean, that Ford wouldn't be bad because mileage is low for the year.
It's warm.
No.
Oh, I can't send it, Dad.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm just saying.
It'll do the same thing Dad did. The bezel rod out of it.
You'll never know that.
What? Looking at trucks over at Magic City, Barberton.
I don't even know what the fuck Magic City is.
It's a car lot over there at Barberton.
Some 6'3" black dude with 4 eyes.
Hey, I'm Magic Mike. I'll get something hooked up for you.
Anyway,
They got a truck there. I typed in their trucks. See what trucks they got? They have 7 trucks. One of them being an 08 Ford tan, like the one Papa had.
Just extended count. Well, yeah. Just like that, dog. I mean,
to be fair, I wouldn't.
I don't want a Ram.
Well, I know that, but I'm just saying that's not that bad being that new.
The Ram ain't that bad.
Well,
You get a Ram, you're gonna get the
it's
same
a
yard and
23
you're
with
gonna
a,
lift a something.
it's a 23 with 110,000 miles. That's the only downfall.
2 years.
But still,
That's
Almost 40,000 miles a year.
I wouldn't get an F-150 pretty much from the OBS being last year, the F-150, all the way till they quit using Tritons.
No, they got an 18 on there, but it's got a 2.7 in it. V6.
What, do you have to have a V8?
Preferably.
it's got 120.
I'm gonna pull a Padre real quick.
I like my V8.
I like my V8.
To be fair, Apple's truck's probably faster than your goddamn died. In all reality, they made a smaller motor and just slapped turbos on it,
Yeah, I know.
so the performance is still the same.
But then you gotta buy a fucking turbo when they take shit. Those ain't cheap. No, this is the Ford they got over there, JP.
I hope that both of you realize that being a lifeguard is serious business.
121,000
The requirements are
miles.
very demanding.
That's only
Keep that
50,000
in
miles
mind,
less than what my
Ruby.
truck has.
And you too, Tom.
I get what, a couple of years out of it?
Always remember.
Well, you
a
get more than
lifeguard
that because
must
you
be
drive 4
a
fucking miles.
Before it rots out?
What year is it?
18.
I think those are aluminum. Aluminum bodies. They don't right up
lifeguard must be
Hey, look it up. Jake's truck's a 2012. This is steel body. Right after that, they went to the aluminum duty. And they did the same thing with the F-150s, I'm pretty sure.
And a lifeguard must be strong.
I'm never going to get this job.
Because literally, JP, that's
2015 and newer F-150s are
That's all the trucks they got over
Your
there.
first
That's
test
the first
will
one.
be diving from this
No.
board.
That
You'll
2018
be
F-150
judged
that'd be
on
aluminum.
style, form, and grace. My assistant, Miss Shapely,
That
will keep score.
2019 Ram
Be
today
very
for a
good
while.
figures.
no.
Dude, look at that big horn.
Look at the mileage on all of
I
them.
shall go through.
Yeah.
108 pounds.
Better than 121.
That F-150. I'm pretty sure the big horn has 5.7.
Ninja Cocoa Bus, can you quit?
They're probably all old vehicles.
I mean, that is a possibility.
It's probably what they are. They probably used to be lease vehicles.
Or they're like
Oh my.
how my car was. It was the like rental car, and then they like a small dealership would buy those.
I really want white.
Yeah, I don't either, but I'm stuck with it. Cocoa Puff.
It's got 120,000 on it. That big one.
Should be a 5.7, I think. I think Dodge was using the V8.
Sports lovers, I'm
3.6 V6 with an 8-speed shiftable automatic. It's a 3.6 liter V6 24 valve. BBT e-torque.
Widely used, generally reliable and accurate grade engines found in Dodge, Ram, and Jeep vehicles. 305 horse, 269 foot-pound torque.
Droopy.
Many
Your
units lasting
next test
312,000
will
miles.
be to swim across this debris-filled pool.
Common issues include
on the
oil
other
filter
side.
housing leaks in early models
I
and
shall do my
cylinder head
best
/ rocker failures.
in every obstacle.
Okay, what was the early model of the 3.6?
Turn out the lights.
On your mark.
But, no, the 4th and 5th gens, and 6th gens, they got good.
Clean pool is a secret.
Big.
Keep scrubbing, Tom.
I mean, you always could go down to Lario.
Lario.
Yeah, worst comes worst, you tell them to fuck off.
Oh, I know.
The only thing I don't much care for in it is leather, but
I so enjoy the peaceful solitude of a
Leather's
camping
cold,
trip.
leather's hot, but leather's
that truck should have heating and cooled seats. Being a brand new Harley. But judging off every truck I've ridden in with heated seats,
What
they get
nonsense.
warm, but it
I
takes a
don't
while.
believe in such things.
Like Jake's truck, you turn the heated seats on, it takes a half
Why
hour.
don't
for
you
that
go
to get
to the Medina Auto Mall right there at Preston Dodge D3? They have a decent size.
warm. They got a switch to get up there.
Oh, I know.
They got Buick and GMC. Right across from the Waffle House.
That being a 23 puts it at 3 years old. It was probably a fleet vehicle.
Attention campers! The Zoological Society is offering a $1 million reward for conclusive proof of Bigfoot's existence.
I'm down.
I mean, you always got Fred Martin Superstore.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. There's not much inventory in the hike department, but the feet are gigantic. The name's Sheldon. Nice to meet you. I don't introduce myself to many campers. In fact,
Then again, like
if you ever
Ford.
come down from the deep woods, no worries. I won't eat you. I'm strictly vegan. Grew the fur myself. Who's that? I'll be captured. What to do? We gotta hide.
Fred Martin.
He's picked up my scent. This guy is good. Okay, good, but not good. We can still do something.
at the end of here. Trying to find that one. I can't remember what it looking at their wall, look at that shit.